Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick point and figure chart review of the NASDAQ 100. I've got the 100 by 3 point and figure chart up, which means any kind of reversal to the upside or downside by 300 points will change the point and figure chart. For example, if we get a 300 point move to the upside and it closes on that level, then we'll get a little X next to the O here, and that means the current trend is reversing to the upside. Now, that's kind of what we're looking for in this chart. Interestingly enough, the index hit the 11,900 and 11,600, very close to 11,600 targets. We can see here on the normal chart. Just go back to the daily here. You can see this low here is... there we go. This low is 11,692. So we got very, very close to meeting this 11,600 downside target. So it's within that target range. Now, also interestingly, this level is very close to a major trend line support zone from a point of figure chart perspective. So these two trend lines, they come from way back in let me just move this up. They come back here from October 2014. And this bottom in the market of August 2011. So it's a major trend line support zone. So we can get a nice technical bounce from these levels. Got very close to meeting the 11,600 target, a few points away basically. And it's a trend line support zone. So it will be interesting to see if we're going to get our rebound. This comes after meeting the 11,900 downside target. So we are fighting, the index is fighting hard to rebound from this trend line support zone, and if we get a rebound, a little X there printed next to the O, which changes the trend back to an uptrend from a downtrend from a point and figure chart perspective, then we have these lows of 12,900 to deal with as the next resistance zone, as well as this negative trend point and figure downtrend to deal with. So there is some potential for a rebound rally from these trend line support levels because they're quite old, they come from quite long ago, and they're very strong trend line support levels to watch out for. So will be interesting to see if we're going to get our rebound in the NASDAQ today and early part of next week from a point and figure chart perspective. Now, turning to the hourly point and figure chart, I've got the 50 by 3, which is a 150 point reversal situation. Yeah, you can see it's in a solid downtrend. You can see these trend lines, point and figure chart, trend lines still focusing to the downside. Got very close to meeting the 11,600 on a close basis. Did meet that figure intraday. Now, it will be interesting to see if we get a rebound. Rebound can last back up to these trend line resistance levels, so watch out for that. First level it's dealing with will be this one here, 12,000. Next one will be 12,450, 12,500. And if the rebound rally lasts, then it's going to get to 13,000. So that's the upward challenges for the NASDAQ with these downside, with this downtrend in place. These are the upside resistance targets from a point of figure chart perspective, the trend line resistance zone. So it will be interesting to see if we get that rebound today or early part of next week. But there are some nasty downside targets, 11,500, 10,800 and 10,400 still in play. So watch out if we drop below this level here. That would activate the 10,400 downside target. So there's still some downside risk between 9 and 12% in this market if we don't get a point of figure chart rebound. But turning back to the daily, we can see that's a major trend line support zone, the first one to deal with. If support fails at these levels, then it's 10,900, 11,300 and 10,900 will be the next major support zone from a point of figure chart perspective. So the things to look out for is that 300 point reversal in the NASDAQ today or early part of next week to start signaling the end of this current short-term downtrend on a point of figure chart basis. Until next time, happy point of figure chart trading. Bye for now.